Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best foam cannons in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best foam cannons. Starting at number 5, we have the Autown foam cannon. The Autown foam blaster features a foam lance made out of brass and an adjustable spray nozzle to change the spray pattern. A top knob allows you to regulate the foam thickness, and the wide mouth bottle is easy to fill. The blaster requires a pressure washer with 2.0 GPM and more than 1000 psi. This foam cannon produces a thick layer of foam in just seconds. Its 1-liter volume is enough to wash 2 cars, and it has a 1/4 inch quick connector that easily attaches to a power washer without any tools. It's nearly identical to other, more expensive, well-known brand names and works just as well. One issue is that it doesn't always spray the foam out consistently. Also, the threads on the bottle may start to fall apart after a short period of time, and the spray adjustment may not stay in place, so you have to keep turning it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dusichin foam cannon. This foam cannon has high-quality brass connectors and a 1/4 inch quick disconnect fitting. The bottle is 33 ounces, and the spray nozzle is adjustable. The top knob controls the foam thickness, and you can use this blaster for cars, motorcycles, windows, driveways, and more. It works with pressure washers with 1.2 GPM and over 1000 psi. This cannon is easy to operate, doesn't use a lot of soap, and shoots out an amazing stream of soap. It produces a nice rich foam over your vehicle in just a few seconds. It's easy to dial up or down, and the fittings are solid and high quality. Unfortunately, the nozzle is pretty hefty, and the entire bottle with the nozzle attached is top-heavy. It can also be a bit awkward and clumsy to attach to a power washer. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Foam Blaster Wash Gun. It could be said that there are more people who own a garden hose than a pressure washer. For this reason, we chose the Chemical Guys Foam Blaster Wash Gun to be our honorable mention as well as an alternative to pressure washer-specific foam cannons. Rather than connecting to a wand via a 1/4 inch fitting, this product connects directly to the nozzle of a garden hose sprayer attachment. One of the defining features of this product is that you can get the same foaming action of a cannon without having to own the pressure washer. In fact, the spray bottle is broader and attaches via a stronger method. The wide neck allows for increased pouring accuracy and the bottle still holds about a liter of liquid. The included spray nozzle means you won't have to search for an adapter between your garden hose and the wash gun itself. What the Foam Blaster Wash Gun lacks is adjustability. Sure, you can move the nozzle of the foam gun itself to direct the spray, but you won't be able to adjust the dilution ratio on the fly. At the same time, the adaptability of the product itself makes it an easy solution for anyone with a dirty car, house, motorcycle, RV, lawn furniture, etc. At number 2, we have the Blistime foam cannon with wash mitt. Washing your car doesn't have to cost you extra each month, especially with the foam cannon package from Blistime. Included with the foam cannon is a wash mitt that's handy when it comes to spreading all those soapy suds around. This product made our list for more than just the price, however. We appreciated that the bottle included reference marks for measuring out the soap to water dilution ratio. Those marks are in milliliters as well as ounces, so you can use either method you prefer. The 1/4 inch fitting on this foam cannon adapts to most pressure washer wands and the brass composition allows for durability and longevity. Adjustable valves control the amount of soap distributed as well as the direction of the spray pattern. The biggest problem we see with this product is that although it's affordable, the quality may not be similar to higher-priced alternatives. Failure may be more likely to occur. However, together or alone, the adjustable foam cannon and wash mitt are easy for almost anyone to use. And finally at number 1, we have the McKillans Snow Foam Cannon. We chose McKillan's Snow Foam Cannon for a variety of reasons, least of which is the affordable pricing. The 1-liter bottle is ergonomically shaped, and the 1/4 inch fitting will adapt to most pressure washer wands. There are adjustable valves that control the dilution ratio of soap and water as well as the spray pattern. If you're looking to get a snow foam cannon to try out, McKillans is definitely one you should consider. As we mentioned, the bottle is ergonomically designed so that you don't have to grip a slick surface with soapy hands. The brass fittings that allow the cannon to adapt to a pressure washer wand are of high quality that will withstand lots of use. The ability to adjust the soap-water dilution allows you to target extra dirty areas, wherein you can also adjust the spray pattern for maximum efficiency. The bottle is also transparent so you can see the car wash soap level as you spray. A drawback of this product is that it may not necessarily withstand prolonged use. The translucency of the bottle weakens it, and it may end up tearing at the base of the neck. However, anyone with a pressure washer and a few hours to kill can use this foam cannon to clean whatever their heart desires. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe.